What's up guys? Today I'm gonna do an unboxing of Xiaomi Note. This phone is currently very popular in China and the official website offers the best price, but it's really difficult to buy it from there because it's not available all the time. So I had to go to Taobao and then pay some more extra money and then I could buy this. Alright, so the phone looks really pretty, I guess. And the version I bought is bamboo version. So if I look at the back, it's made of bamboo. I think it's pretty cool. And if you look at the inside the box, just the ordinary USB cable and wall charger. And SIM card slot clip and instruction manual. Alright, and that's it. There's no more. It seems like there might be some more, but it was not. Yeah, so I guess the phone is quite pretty. No, I think peeling off back would be better. The sticker of back. Yeah, I like this building. Because I'm looking at the screen of the camera I'm shooting, so it's not easy to get the job done. Alright, and lastly, yeah, booting up the phone. Yeah, no problem. So this phone has same size as Note 4, 5.7 inch, and 1080p resolution, which is 386 pixel density. The CPU is Snapdragon 801 and it has 3 GB of RAM. So I'll try to use it maybe quite some time and then maybe I'll try to make some review as well. Alright, thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you.